to save the planet, you got to save yourself. I know it sounds a bit cliche. To save the planet, you got to save yourself. What that means is, for the planet to have peace and happiness and love for each other, no violence, care and love for each other. Simple. That's it. When each person lives like that, nothing greater than that. This planet will move to what you call a golden age. Real quick. Like, where it's just glory on the planet. It's just kindness and selflessness and beauty and goodness. Everywhere you go, you see, in the TV you watch, the books you read, the people you interact with, the school your children go to, like everything, everything becomes like that. So now, peace comes from, world peace comes from individual peace. Like, for example, if you live in one suburb, right? And let's say you got a 3-bedroom flat, and you need to help pay the rent. You advertise local newspaper to someone to come and be a flatmate, so they can help you pay your rent. Let's say that, some practical metaphor. So let's say that the newspaper that you're advertising, the circulation of that newspaper only goes to your suburb. It doesn't go beyond your suburb, right? Now, if everyone in your suburb, if every single person in your suburb is not peaceful and argumentative and have anger issues, and rude and put other people down and no care and selfish. Now, see, it doesn't matter who's going to respond to your ad. You're not going to have that person share your flat. You're not. See? Because there's no peace in the suburb, But if each person in that suburb, starts to think, oh my God, I don't like being rude and to others, and I don't make other people feel good. I don't feel good. I can't even sleep at night. I'm not well physically, mentally. I got to change my ways. I got to change my ways like that. And then who knows? They might be Googling or go on YouTube. They might stumble into the One World Healing, and the Wisdom and Awakening webinar, and they're hearing this talk, and that so there's a way I can heal myself and become more peaceful, and they start living and practicing diligently. Nothing fancy, nothing miraculous, just daily, effort, and then and then that person becomes more peaceful, and then they tell other people, and other people find out, and then the whole town becomes peaceful. See, the world peace is like that, but it's not the town; it's the whole planet. So if we each try to work at ourselves, at our own peace and calm and love and care for ourselves and other people, the people that we live, the people that are around us, our workplace. We don't have to travel across the globe, do a tour, uplift the world, nothing like that. Just each person just be calm and peaceful with everyone you meet. Your family, beginning with your family. Kind to your family and helpful. Your friends, you know. Start there. Start there. Be sincere. Peace will build, peace will come. And if everyone did that, to be world peace. World peace is not that hard. It's not that hard. The only reason why world peace at the moment is so difficult to for our planet, is that the whole world, generally speaking, we do not believe peace is critical, is vital for our lives. Like as if air, peace. Like if we know peace is as vital as air, oxygen, we'll go for it. And once we go for it, it's nothing hard. It's nothing hard. Peace is going to come quickly, and world peace will come. And before you know it, it'll be the golden age. Passports be over. No border control, nothing. Passports be over. You know, because no one will be afraid of from anybody, and no one will try to rob each other. Because even before the person thinks of robbing, you're already giving it. So there'll be no robberies. The person won't even think of robbing anyway. You know, like that. You know. So what I'm saying in short is peace is not hard. Honestly, it is not hard. I know peace is not hard. I'm telling you, I know it. You know? It's just that you got to value it. You know, if we just dump peace, put it in a suitcase and put it in the corner of our room, and start going for success and achievements, and you know, recognition and fame and fortune, you know, be a millionaire by the time you're 30, financially free. Go for that. I'm not saying if there's anything wrong with that, but there's something wrong with that if you put the other thing in the cupboard. You know, those things are fine, but if peace is up the top, then your life will be beautiful. But we lock peace up in the cupboard, you know, and we just go for all these other things, and then we drown. No peace. We have no peace whatsoever. We get sick, and we need healing, you know, and we don't know how to get it. All I'm saying is, change your mindset. Yeah. You know, reflect deeply. You know, get our values right for ourselves, you know, for ourselves. Embark on the journey, which means you start to experiment what works, what doesn't work to attain this peace. And before you know it, it's a piece of cake. Peace is a piece of cake, I'm telling you. Before you know it, peace is a piece of cake. You'll be laughing, and the world will be saved.